What's going on, Daytona fans? It's Kevin here, and in this evening edition, we're going to go over 6 mods you can do that won't void your factory warranty. Woo! Mod number 1 is going to be tinting your windows. Now, tinting your windows does 2 different things. Firstly, it keeps your privacy intact, and secondly, in the summertime, it actually keeps the car cooler. How this works, I don't really know. I was taught that darker colors absorbed more heat. Mod number 2 is going to be these rain deflectors right here. Now, these rain deflectors do 2 different things as well. Firstly, they do exactly what the name suggests. They deflect rain. Secondly, it actually keeps your car cooler because you're able to leave your car window cracked open and nobody will know. So when you get into the car, it won't be as hot and you won't be burning your butt. Now, mod number 3 is going to be this oil catch can right here. Now, Dodge doesn't tell you to get an oil catch can, but you absolutely should if you're getting yourself a Hemi engine. Why? Because there's a lot of oil that blows by and gets back into the intake. And with this little guy, you can catch all that oil before it goes back into your internals and robs you of your horsepower. Mod number 4 is going to be half covers. Half covers do 2 different things. You guys starting to see a theme here? A lot of 2 different things stuff. Anyway, half covers. Firstly, they really spruce up the engine bay. They really clean it up and make it look a lot better. And secondly, it helps dissipate heat away from the intake manifold. Now, the original 5.7 covers up the manifold, so it's trapping heat around the manifold. So it doesn't matter if you have a cold air intake. Once that cold air reaches the manifold, it just warms up and you're losing power. With these half covers, the manifold can breathe freely and the temperature is only a few degrees off. On highway driving, I get from 2 to 5 degrees hotter than ambient temperature inside the intake manifold. I'm keeping my horsepower that way. It's a no-brainer. Mod number 5 is going to be vinyl and plastic dip. Now, these 2 mods also do 2 different things. Firstly, they give your car a whole new look. You're really getting into the customization game by wrapping your car or plastic dipping your car. But in addition to that, you're actually protecting the factory paint because it's another layer over your factory paint. And of course, when you're tired of it, these 2 options, you can just peel it off and apply a whole new layer and you got yourself a whole different color. Now, I think this is the most high impact mod on the list because you're basically changing the color of your car without voiding your warranty. I mean, how cool is that? Mod number 6 is going to be the Scat Pack stages. Now, the Scat Pack stages are things that Dodge offers you. You can change anything from the exhaust all the way to things like the internals, like the camshaft, for power. This is a power mod that keeps your factory warranty. Now, it works because Dodge is the one offering it to you. So if Dodge offers this product, they have to back it up. They have to warranty it. As long as you install it at a Dodge dealership, of course. If you do it yourself, they're not going to warranty that stuff. That's why it comes with such a high price tag. But it may be worth it for those who want to keep their factory warranty. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe and please comment below. Let me know if you have any of these 6 mods or any other mods that do not void your factory warranty. Until next time, this is Kevin from Double Yellow 857. Peace.